So I'm going to be unboxing this beard and mustache trimming kit. Let's see what's inside the box. So here, perfect. Grab the other one I dropped on the floor. There we go. So you have your scissors, you have your combs, and your case. Here we have our scissors. These feel pretty heavy duty. I don't like taking packaging off the right way. Yeah, these seem really nice. Very sharp. I like the black matte color on these. Something that you usually don't see. Okay, there's the case. And then we have these two combs here. So we have the littler comb and the bigger comb. Oops, dropped that. Here's the rings. And then here's the carrying case for this. And these go on here to make them more comfortable.